Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorials how to edit your photos by Canva on iPhone or iOS. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Canva until we are generated into their page, and then now just click the plus button over here to start the new pages. And then we can see on the bottom here, start creating from your media. It means that we just need to input or to choose what pictures that we want to add. Just since we want to edit the photos, just go into the image sections, and now you can choose which photos that you want to edit. For me, I want to edit this picture. Okay, and then click add, and now use in a new design. Okay, hold on until it's ready to edit. And right, and now your pictures is already loaded into the page. And then how to edit this picture, you just need to click the picture until it's in active mode, and then there are a lot of features on the bottom. If you want to add some effects, you can just effect. If you want to adjusting either the bright, the contrast, you can choose the adjust over here. Then just click adjust. Okay, wait a second. Okay, and then you can choose auto adjust, or if you want to adjust the temperature, just go into the temperature sections, and then you can drag it. If you want to make it like cooler, drag into the left side. If you want to make it more warm, just drag it into the right side. I think I want to make it cool, so I will just drag it into the left side. And then if you think that the picture is quite dark, just go into the brightness, and then you can adjust it by adding more light and drag into the right side. Okay, so now you already edit your video, and there's still a lot of features that you can use over here. You can just contrast, highlight, shadows, and many more. But if you just finish your editing, you can go into the right upper side. Sorry, the right upper side over here. Just click it, and then click download. And now you can download your pictures that you already edited on this Canva. Just wait until it's 100% saved on your media. So now your pictures is already saved, and you can like restart for every photos on your media. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe into this channel.